it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe and smash that notification bell to be updated every time that I post. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick review on ColourPop's Designer Disney Collection, and I'll be doing a review of their Luxe lipsticks. I got all 6 colors. I am in love with Disney princesses. My favorite is Jasmine, of course. So whenever I seen they were collaborating with Disney, I felt like I had to get them. I decided to buy all the lipstick colors. So my order came in yesterday, and I thought I might as well just do a review on it since I'm going to be trying them on anyways. So I have not tried on any of these yet. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys and try them on and tell you what I think. This collection features 6 Disney princesses, which are Tiana, Princess Jasmine, Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, and Belle. And the way that they made these princesses look is not like how they look on the actual cartoons. They created them with like this vintage type of look to them, which I thought is really cool. I'm gonna start off with Cinderella because this is one of the ones that I'm the most fearful of. I might as well get it out of the way now. So this is how the packaging on the single box looks. And this is the tubing that all the lipsticks are in. So, oh, that's actually a really pretty shade. Let's try this one on. Oh goodness. So it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I wouldn't wear this shade of pink every day. It actually is a really pretty shade. I thought it was about to be like clown lipstick, but the formula itself is creamy. It was easy to apply. The only thing that I had on my lips prior to this was some Vaseline. There's not much that I can say about this. I'm not too crazy about the shade of pink, but it's much prettier than I thought it would be as shown as it was on the website. Let's swatch this. Yeah, this formula is actually really comfortable and it feels creamy. The next shade that I'm going to try out that I'm actually really excited to try is Snow White. She is my least favorite Disney princess, but the shade of red that they used looked really pretty online. Okay, same packaging. That's really pretty. Let's swatch that. That came off pretty easy. Oh my gosh. Okay, this shade of red is so stunning. It's nowhere as bright as the shade as it was online. It's not deep enough to be a wine red, but it's definitely not one of those crazy tomato red shades. This is one of those reds that you can wear on a date or just add a pop of color like ColourPop. I really like this. Okay, let's move on to the next color. So that was Snow White. Let's try Ariel. So this is how Ariel's packaging looks. Ariel is my second favorite princess. Same tube. I'm looking kind of crazy. That I was the most excited about this color. It's like a pretty mauve pink shade. So let's swatch this. Oh my gosh. This one so far is my absolute favorite. It looks so natural. This is gonna be my go-to everyday lipstick for now on. Ariel, oh, everything that I was hoping for it to be and more, because this formula is just so creamy. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We only have 3 left. Next, I'm gonna do Jasmine, which is my favorite princess. This is the packaging for it. They added like some tiger stripes to it because you know she has a pet tiger. It's just like revamped. I dressed up as her for Halloween 2 years back. Same packaging. It is just as bright as I thought it was gonna be. I just hope it doesn't look batshit crazy on me. So here's a swatch. Like the color payoff on these, they're very vibrant and pigmented, so that's a good thing. Okay, you guys, so this is Jasmine. It is a very bright neon hot pink shade. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just so bright that I don't see myself wearing it. I like to wear a lot of neutral shades. I low-key am really upset because I feel like the shade that is on Jasmine doesn't look like this. I mean, she's a cartoon, but she still looks like she's wearing a pretty natural shade of pink. So this is how Tiana's packaging looks. It's so pretty. I'm in love, so in love. Now this is a shade of red that I could wear every single day. Like, I'm so dramatic that I'd wear this out to go do errands. I'd wear this out on a date. I'd wear this to work, to school. It's just that beautiful of a shade of wine red. Okay, you guys, last is Princess Belle. So this shade is actually a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be, but it's still a really pretty mauve type of pink. That is gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this one on. This is another gorgeous shade, you guys. This is how it looks up close. So again, those are all the swatches for all 6 of the shades. If y'all don't want to buy all 6, I definitely recommend you guys get your hands on Ariel, Belle, and Tiana. Snow White shade is also really good too. And if you can live without, definitely live without Princess Jasmine shade and Cinderella shade. This is all that I have for this review, you guys. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any video requests that you guys want me to make a video for, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.